In this video, I am going to explain about generators in Python. So basically, generators are like a normal function, but when they generate a value, it generates using a yield keyword instead of using a return keyword. Okay, if a body of a def has a yield keyword, so it will automatically convert that function into a generator function. Okay, we also have a generator object. We'll see that later. First, we'll define a function. Let's say my function, which takes two parameters a comma b. Okay, instead of return, we are using yield. I want to add. Okay, that is why reason why I'm adding a plus b. See, this is a simple example to understand generators better. Okay, so my function, I'm calling the function now. So here, if you see here, it is taking two parameters a and b, and it is also mentioning as a generator, because this whole function was a normal function earlier. Before I mentioned yield, it was a normal function. After I mentioned yield here, it is a generator function. Okay, that is the reason why it is showing generator here. Okay, so I'll give two parameters like two arguments which are 4 and 2. Okay, so I'll assign it to a variable now, result equal to my function. If I try to run the result now, it will give me a generator object. If you run it, you'll get the generator object. Okay, as I said earlier, so generator object should be called only by using two methods. Okay, using a for loop and a next method. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, so here result is a generator object. Normally, for a normal function, we use it as a variable. Okay, for a generator function, this is a generator object. Result is a generator object. Okay, we'll use two methods to call the generator object, which are next. It is a next method, and the other method is for loop. Okay, we'll see the first method, which is next. Simple thing is we have to give it next here. Okay, that's it, and close the brackets. Okay, if you run the program now, you can see you are getting 6. Okay, next is iterating the next parameter. Okay, so that is why it is giving the output as 6. That means 4, it is adding the two numbers a plus b. It is calling the generator object. Okay, next is calling the iterating on the generator object. Okay, next is iterating on the generator object. What is the generator object? Result is the generator object. Okay, this is one method, and the other method is using the for loop. For I in, we have to give the my function. Okay, my function, and we have to give two numbers. Let's say 5 comma 2. Okay, colon print I. Okay, so if I run it, you can see it is showing me 6 as well as 7. 7 is from for loop. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7. So this is how you can work with generators in Python. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.